everyone! Today, I'm flying to Boracay!
Ayan, early morning, naghahanap tayo ng gate 5. So, 2 hours pa for our flight, pero maaga tayong mag-check-in. Ang aga-aga, ako lang tao dito. Masaya-saya. May mumu sa airport.
Have you ever traveled solo? Well, for me, it's my first time. One of the items nga on my bucket list has always been to go on an island escape. Another is to travel solo and be far away on my birthday. So here I am, celebrating my 26 years of life here in Boracay Island. Pagdating dito sa isla ay diretso agad ako sa tutuluyan kong hostel. Napili ko nga tong panuluyan dahil sa pangalan niya, it's called Happiness Hostel. At sobrang colorful and aesthetic niya nung nakita ko to online. Kaya, let me tour you guys.
Chill out area. Available siya anytime, 24 hours.
Chill na chill nga ako dyan kanina eh.
Sa dulo po, yan po yung ice bath namin. And then, dito naman po, yan yung yoga room namin na kino-convert namin to massage room kapag may nagbubook ng massage. Pero there are cases po sa yoga na ginagawa siya sa chill out kasi masyadong maano yung movement. Kumbaga. And this is our big bar where party happens every night, especially during weekends. Tapos sa dulo po, meron pong game room. Free po kayo maglaro dyan ng billiards, ping pong, Nintendos, card games. Meron din pong tattoo area sa gilid.
Dito yung tattoo area.
Yes po, open po siya. 3 p.m. up to 12 midnight. Tapos may 8 p.m. din po kami. Sa reception, or pwede rin kayo mag-ask ng blanket kung ayaw niyo po i-change po. Yun lang po.
Ito na lang yung available. Walang na
Dito po. Ay, hindi po ko sure. I think okay pa. Oo. Okay, basta sarado. Okay, fine. Opo, kayo na lang po hinihintay nila. Enjoy your stay po, ma'am.
Thank you. Pasuyo na lang po yung luggage ko. Okay guys, so tapos na tayo mag-check-in, nakapag-ligo-ligo na tayo, tapos nakapag-outfit na. So, sisimulan ko na yung tour. Bye!
do this trip. Going solo? What if isipin ng iba, weird ako? Wala ba akong friends, family, or special someone whom I can travel with? Well, my answer is no, no, and yes. I have friends, but sometimes friends have different goals and priorities in life. And of course, I have family. Pero hindi sa lahat ng oras, dapat lagi kang may kasama. And yes, wala akong special someone na makakasama ko sa travels ko. So, ibig sabihin ba nun, hindi ko napupuntahan ang mga lugar na gusto kong puntahan dahil lang so wala akong kasama? No way! Yes, I am alone, but in this solo travel in Boracay, I'm not lonely. One of the best things of going solo is you are the boss. You have your own itinerary, and most importantly, hawak mo ang oras mo. You can be an avid adventurer, walang problema. Or you just want to chill by the beach, take all the time.
Kakakain ko lang. Ngayon pala, unang kain ko ngayong araw. Napakarami.
Naku, super recent. Lalo na dito sa Boracay, itong photoshoot while nakasakay sa Crystal Kayak. Kaya dapat may entry din ako. And of course, ang pruweba na nanggaling ka sa Boracay ay dapat may picture ka sa sandcastle na yan.
Somewhere by the Emerald Sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the
Hindi naman pala totoo na kapag nag-travel ka mag-isa ay malungkot na. It's kind of peaceful kaya. Along the way, during your journey, maraming sorpresa. Sobrang nakalma kaya talaga ang utak ko when I did this trip.
dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making.
And here's my first Boracay sunset viewing. At dahil algae season ang month of February, ang tawag dyan ay lumot na may konting sunset. Going back to my hostel ay ganito na ang nadatnan ko. It's giving party vibes in here. Pero dahil introvert nga tayo, bahala muna kayo dyan. The next day, I woke up early to enjoy the morning calm in Boracay. And I'm loving this alone time because I still find time to do my favorite peaceful hobby, which is reading. Timing pa nga sa situation ang book na dala ko. It's called The Art of Being Alone. Isa sa natutunan ko while reading this book is that you should use your alone time for growth and transformation. So here I am, exploring on my alone time. Walking distance nga lang pala sa hostel ko itong Bulabog Beach. And it's one of my favorite thing to do kapag nasa ibang lugar ako. Ang morning walk at scenery watching. Ako lang ba ang ganito during travels? Nagigising ng sobrang aga para lang umupo sa tabing dagat, para magmuni-muni at matulala. Doing this thing is like a therapy for me. The sounds of the waves is so relaxing, and the cool air breeze feels like a fresh start to me. It feels like the sunrise is reminding you that every day when you wake up, you can rebrand yourself, you can change your location, your appearance, your circle, and your thoughts. And that's why I love mornings. It gives us hope and new beginnings.
I like it, but it's not okay. I cannot walk away. Oh yeah, I can still see your face. So tell me what to do, 'cause I can't find a way. I love you too, don't love me back, back. I can't stand this feeling inside my mind, mind. Baby, please just tell me if I'm fine, 'cause I don't know why you're stuck in my heart, baby. Could be my best bud, my best bud. I won't pull up your fake one, and I feel good, I feel good when you walk around, baby, just do.
Next stop is back at White Beach. And abangan nyo guys kung saan ako pupunta at anong gagawin ko dito. It's going to be exciting, thrilling, and amazing!
Ayun, we're gonna try the parasailing dito sa Boracay. And ako lang yata mag-isang tuwan. Tingnan natin.
We're here sa speedboat. Dito na tayo maglalambitin at magpapakasaranggola. Floating above the sea feels surreal and liberating. Grabeng roller coaster of emotions ang binibigay sa akin ng parasailing experience na to.
Let's go sana traveling! Wag sana akong mahulog! Wag sana akong mahulog! Okay lang mahulog sa maling tao, wag lang dito! Oh my God! Okay lang mahulog sa maling tao, wag lang dito! Oh my God! Ayoko na! peaceful. Ah, 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 ah. I love myself, I love my life. Thank you, Lord! Happy birthday! Chapter 26! Tama na! Tama na! Huwag niyo nang taasan! Huwag niyo nang taasan! Tama na po! Oh my God! Huwag niyo nang taasan! Ayoko na! Tama na yun! Ang ganda ng dagat! Ang ina! Ang ganda ng maraming! Wow!
Imagine guys, ganyan nakaliit yung speedboat na sinasakyan ko kanina. So ang taas-taas ko na, malapit na ako kay Lord.
Mahal ng binayad ko kay Nito. Ang mahal ng bayad nito. Stream pa more. Tama na! Oh, patay na, patay. Ayan. Kalma lang, kalma, kalma, kalma. Kalma lang sabi eh. Ay, putang ina!
Years ago, I never imagined na matutupad ko ang pangarap kong makapag-island escapade and solo travel on my birthday. And right now, nandito na ako, nag-e-enjoy at nagbubuwis ng buhay.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, sumigaw ako. Hindi ako makasigaw, wala akong boses. Bonamin. Bonamin, Bonamin. Buti na lang wala pa akong kinain.
After natin mag-feeling ibon sa Himpapawid, dito naman tayo sa ilalim ng dagat mag-feeling baby shark. Yes, I will try the helmet diving, so let's go! Sige mga isda, lumapit kayo sa akin. Ako to ang nawawalan yung nanay. May dala akong tinapay para sa inyo. It's kinda ironic diba mga inday, na mas buhay na buhay tayo o mas feeling alive tayo pag nasa ilalim ng tubig. Dahil kapag nasa lupa tayo, pakiramdam natin nakakasakal na. nalulunod sa mga problema, sa mga bills, sa mga taong mapanghusga. Kaya minsan, parang gusto ko na lang talagang maging baby shark.
Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do.
Tapos na tayong sumigaw-sigaw sa ere at huminga sa ilalim ng dagat. This time, let's do a land travel. Hashtag road trip.
Kanina nakita ko yung buong yan, kaya lang bumabaliktad yung sikmura ko. Ano? Yung banda doon, ano yun?
Yan yung part na ng mainland. Yun yung
Ay, yung kanina, doon ba tayo galing kanina?
yung dito. Ito sa backstreet na tayo sa part na may yung doon, yung parang isla na yun yung Crystal City.
Ayun po, nasa gitna.
Opo, yan yung may parang puti.
Opo.
Yung Crystal City.
Hindi na kasi ako nasa
I realized na kapag nag-solo travel ka, it's also a form of self-love and giving to ourselves the best that we can. Yes, solo travel is a little scary, but doing it alone is better than not doing it at all.
When the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see are all made of gold, when your dreams all fail and the ones we hail are the worst of all and the bloods run stale, I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come. When you feel my feet, look into my eyes, it's where my demons hide, it's where my demons hide. Don't get too close, it's dark inside, it's where my demons hide, it's where my demons hide.
After how many hours of wandering around and getting lost in this island, I finally found this perfect spot to rest and slow down. And this is the part where I will just sit for long hours, relax, sip on my fruit shake, and let the view do the talking. At bago matapos ang trip na to, it's nice to have a souvenir. I'm getting my first ever tattoo. it for this trip. Memories made, lessons learned, and a heart full of gratitude. Cheers to 26, solo travels, and many more adventures ahead.